it's like, you know, like, and you'll think I'm talking about a recipe. Run it. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, I need that. Cancer, Leo, Virgo, I need that. Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, I need that. Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, I need that.
What is your sign? How about your moon? Do you know your ride? That was the chart. Well, when were you born? What was the time? Yeah, I look it up and I explain every line. Breakfast 2Ks, ready the weatherman, you can rely.
Aries, Taurus, Gemini, I need that. Cancer, Leo, Virgo, I need that. Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, I need that. Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, I need that.
Libra the sun. Look at me, hun, I'm beautiful, yum. Plus I love art, and I'm attentive when your body talks. When it comes to decisions, please don't rush me, man. I need me a minute. Heaven and hell, I came with the scales, I balance them well.
Okay.
Capping the moon,
Yeah.
I gotta go, yeah, I'm on the move. I for the juice, cream, man, the many methods I use. Shout out to Big Sound, that line was inspired. I am a fan. I'm usually stoic, I hear what they saying, but I got a plan. Sagittarius, hilarious, prophetic eyes. Centaur, half man, half horse, but you can't tell by my thighs. Resting, I don't give a face, ain't no disguise. Plus I'm blunt, up my front, what do you want?
Aries, Taurus, Gemini, I need that. Cancer, Leo, Virgo, I need that. Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, I need that. Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, I need that.
Aries some freaks, they want my body, they play for keeps. Taurus so sweet, plus they like food, ooh, I got the meats. Gemini crazy, give me a headache, but I mean when they vacate. Cancer so fine, dragging that wagon, calm and dim in my eyes.
Aries, Taurus, Gemini, I need that. Cancer, Leo, Virgo, I need that. Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, I need that. Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, I need that.
Leo amazing, cocky but that don't affect me. Virgo be naked, that is a secret, and I really respect it. Libra my favorite, gang, 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 man, these be hating. That Scorpio neck, that how you been foot in the street, chasing a Tesla. Sagittarius got jokes, plus when you choke, they return a favor. Capricorn thick, and they ambitious, they don't play about Aquarius weird, but they be they charm, and they really good friends. Pisces they swim through the bush, and that what the Zodiac is.